everybody. A warm welcome to my channel Vatsalyam. So let us see what is the reading about. So the reading is about you, your personality in general, and what is going to happen in the coming 2 years from now. So we will see this. It's going to be a timeless reading. Since it's a general reading, so maybe not all points resonate with you. So here are two pictures. You can choose them. I shall be giving a little description about both the pictures. So you see which picture you get more connected with. So let me begin with picture number 1. So when I look at this picture, I feel that for you, the foundation of your life is your family, your relationships. You want them to stay connected. You want them to stay together. It does matter to you what people think of you. It does matter to you if somebody is angry with you or is hurt by you. You don't intently hurt people, but if it happens, it hampers you, it bothers you, and you are not at rest until you are able to give them complete peace. You come unless you are able to talk it out to them, clear out all your doubts. That's the way you are. You are in a very giving energy. You like to help people. You like to take responsibilities. You're very sincere, very hardworking, a very honest person. You often take life and its incidents a little seriously. At times you do neglect yourself, maybe your health, your diet. If you're emotionally drained, you often don't speak out what you're feeling, and you're very cautious of how the family atmosphere is, how the environment in your family is, and you want all your family members to be together, to stay united. You go out of your way to help out people. You must be very concerned, you must be very loving person, very caring person, but you often neglect yourself. Now let us see what this group 2 picture tells me. It tells me that for you, your family, your relations are important, but for you, you yourself are also important. You do not like to neglect your diet, your exercise routine. You are very particular of how you look, your physical appearance. You take care of it. You must be taking treatments or visiting salons quite often to have that pleasant appearance of yours. You are a playful person, a pleasant energy. You like to socialize. You like to be around people. But for you, your me time is equally important. What people think of you does matter to you, but to an extent. You know how to balance your emotions. So this is what I was getting from these pictures. So see which picture you get more connected with. If you feel that your personality is in both the pictures, you can hear both the readings. Otherwise, you can choose your reading and go to the reading itself. The timestamps are in the description box. Thank you. So welcome to your reading group 1. Let us see what is your personality in general, and then we will see 2 years from now what is going to happen in your life. A general overview of this. So what the cards are telling me, I have here porcupine spirit and moth spirit. The numbers of both the cards come to number 3. So maybe number 3 is of importance in your life. Maybe you are number 3, your date of birth is number 3, or you're born in month of March, or your house number is number 3, or somebody who is a number 3 is of importance in your life. So somewhere number 3 is important in your life. But what the cards are telling me, that you are people who are more of givers than of receivers. You believe in giving others, be it emotional support, be it a physical support by taking responsibilities, by sharing their work, or be it finances. So anyways, you are a giver energy. You believe in keeping your family united. You believe in relationships. You have some firm beliefs which you don't want to change because you feel that this kind of pattern, the life that you're leading, is the right thing for you. That gives you happiness. But somewhere you do block your energies by being more of a giver. You take life seriously. You take every episode happening in your life seriously. It affects you internally. Someone else's energies also affect you. If you see somebody sad, disappointed, or they are in need of any help, you get affected by them. You are sensitive towards energies. Maybe some of you like to help people who are in need of money. Maybe you are somebody who never lets a dog or a cat or birds go without eating something. You do offer them food. You might be keeping water for them. So somewhere you want to help people. You want to help every living creature around you. Maybe you're fond of gardening. Maybe you like to nurture plants around you. You are a very hardworking person, a very sincere person who takes every responsibility seriously and makes it a point to complete that particular task, or do every justice you can towards that responsibility. Some of you might be always feeling a stress in your shoulder. Some of you might be feeling from consistent back pain, pain in your legs, because you stand a lot, I feel. So you are more of a giver person, but you believe in honesty, you believe in truth. Maybe some of you do not speak lies at all, or very minimal lies that doesn't affect anybody. But you believe in truth. You believe in sharing whatever is true, whether it is your fault, it's someone else's fault, but you are very honest, and you believe that honesty helps in the longer run in life. You're a person who likes to keep your emotions to yourself. Even if you're hurt, you would not like to share with others easily. And maybe many of you are artistic people, are creative people who like to pour your emotions, pain, hurt, disappointment in your creativity. It could be like in cooking. Maybe if you're hurt or something, you just like to go and spend time in cooking, creating a new dish. Maybe you're a painter, a writer, a singer, or you just like to sit down and listen to soft music, love songs, romantic songs. You might not be liking loud sounds. You like softness in your life. You are stable, you are secured in your life. Many of you might be having your own house. Many of you might have booked a house for yourself. You like to celebrate in others' happiness. So this is what I'm picking up from the cards right now. Now let's see what will be there in the coming 2 years. Again, the first card that I have, Blossoming Abundance, is a number 3 card. So there is going to be abundance in your life, abundance of health, abundance of wealth, abundance of relationships. All that you've been nurturing, you've been taking care of, is going to be rewarded by the universe. And so the second card is also telling you door to personal healing and happiness. So in the coming 2 years, somewhere you will also start giving yourself that importance. Till now, you were not important for yourself, but others were. But in these 2 years, maybe you will start to accept that, yes, I am also important to myself. My needs are also important. My desires are important. My dreams are important. Many of you might not be accepting change easily in your life, big or small, but you have to prepare yourself towards those changes. So many of you will take time to accept this, but finally you will open those doors to healing. You will let yourself heal, be it through any ways, but you will let yourself heal. You will invite happiness. You will not wait for others to create that happiness in your life. You will enjoy all the materialistic luxuries in your life in the coming 2 years, because most of the cards are of pentacles. So finances is of importance here. You can inherit finances, or you can grow your business in a way where you have growth in your finances, or you can be in such a position in your job place where you will get so much of salary that you will be able to afford many things. Initially, maybe you did not buy things so easily. You always stopped yourself, but now you will free yourself to buy things that attract you, that you want them to be a part of your life. You might be facing a choice in making decisions whether I should do this or not, because you're more of a giver. So these dilemmas of making decisions and choices will be there. Some of you might face some eye issue in the coming 2 years. You will now learn to balance your give and take energy to some extent. You will keep continuing to help others, but at one point you will also now keep something for yourself so that you don't face any issues in future. So this will be there. If you're a female, then you will continue to nurture your family, take care of your family. Your focus will be on health, your family's health. That will be always of prime importance. But if you're starting something of your own, you will be able to find those resources. You will be able to find those ways of taking actions of growing your money. You will become an independent person in the coming 2 years. Yellow color is quite prominent here. So definitely prosperity, growth, success is coming towards you. Some of you will become very creative and might use that creativity in earning or growing your money. Some of you, if you're single, you might get love proposal, marriage proposal. If you already have if you're already in a relationship, you might plan a family and be blessed with a baby in the coming 2 years. Here I can also see that you will be in a process of learning, becoming student of life once again, learning little things again, joining new courses so that you can use them in your own growth. When we learn something, we not only grow in our awareness, our knowledge, but somewhere our soul is also growing within. So that growth will be there and you will move ahead in life towards success, prosperity, and abundance. Thank you. Welcome to your reading group 2. So let us see what is your personality in general and what all can happen with you in the coming 2 years from now. It's going to be a general reading. So let us see about your personality first. So I have the card of Stag Spirit and Flamingo Spirit. So what I can see from the cards is that you know when to create a balance in your life. Where to draw a line for yourself. You can be a very loving person towards your family, but for you, your time is equally important. You would not like to compromise on your me time. You are a playful person. You could be friendly. You must be liking socializing with people. You have that strength within you to face any obstacle, any storm in your life. You don't give up easily. After every storm, you get up with more strength. You take the learnings from those challenges and you move ahead in your life. You like to lead your own path. You like to lead your own life. Maybe some of you are leaders at your workplace. Maybe family looks upon to you for your guidance, for your support. You have the final say. Someone can be like this. You willingly take up responsibilities and you give your 100% to fulfill them. You do not like to delay your work. You like to finish your work on time. You can be a very creative person, full of creative ideas, new thoughts. You know where to balance your emotions, how much to pour out and how much to keep within. You are very expressive, but you know your own boundaries. You are able to balance your emotional side, your practical side as well. You like to enjoy life. You like to use whatever wealth you have to enjoy life to its fullest. You like to connect to nature. You like to travel. You like to party with your friends. So this kind of energy I'm getting from your cards. Now let's see what does the coming 2 years have in store for you. So the first card says, door to personal healing and happiness. I feel some of you might have both the readings because few cards are getting repetitive here also. So the card says that in the coming 2 years, you will witness healing coming into your life, be it emotional healing, be it physical healing, but you will see that healing coming into your life. You, since being a leader in your own life, you would like to create moments that will bring happiness to you. You would not like to wait for people to create those moments for you to be happy. The second card says contract. And here the contract can be related to a legal contract. This could be about buying or selling of property or anything of this sort. This contract could be related to, a marriage contract where either your marriage is not going to work too well, so you will have a mutual separation, or it could be a new person coming into your life. It could be about a job opportunity. Maybe you need to travel abroad or settle there, so that there could be a contract. It could be a renewal of a contract. So the coming 2 years does show some kind of contract happening in your life. With Five of Swords, I feel that you will be working on how you perceive things, how you perceive situations, how you perceive people. People look upon to you, people come to you. So when you talk to them, when you help them, you guide them, you will be able to bring a change in your own perception. You will find an inner growth happening within you. You will start trusting your intuition more than talking to people or taking advice from them. Whenever you will feel stuck in your life, you would always trust your intuitions to take the next step. There will be choices coming up in your life, but yes, your me time, your connect with your intuition is going to help you take the right decision for yourself. For some, there is travel also indicated. For some, there is a new love proposal coming your way in the coming 2 years. With the Sun card, definitely there is growth, there is prosperity, there is success coming in. You will pave your own path. You will create your own roads towards victory, towards success, towards growth. For some, there could be arrival of a baby in the family. There definitely is a focus in what you want to achieve in your life. You're going to move ahead with a lot of focus in your life. With Ten of Pentacles, there is abundance coming in your life. It could be inheritance of a property. It could be growth in your business. It could be growth in your salary, where you get that abundance that you need in your life, and you will be sharing that abundance by helping people, by donating it, by doing charities as well. So this is all for you, Group 2. Thank you.